Well, I think the biggest pressure the youth of today is facing is to believe in themselves. To know that you are unique and that what makes you beautiful. Stop comparing yourselves with others and let's talk about more important things that's happening worldwide. I think this is what you need to understand. Come out, speak for yourself because you are the leader of your life. You are the voice of your own. I believed in myself and that's why I'm standing here today.
I think I'm a person who always makes sure that I take some time for my mental health, and whenever I feel overwhelmed, I just take a break for like 5 seconds, 10 seconds, minute, or even for half an hour. That's important. That's only you can focus and process correctly. So during the whole pageant, like I have failed so many times. I started this all when I was just 17 years old. I never won at first. I failed. Making sure that I come back again rather than set back. And coming back stronger for my own self and to prove my inner self that I'm better. I'm better than before. So with that fire, I just emerged like a phoenix and I came to represent myself, to prove myself wrong. And I never compared myself with others. I think when I had that steadfast and headstrong attitude towards achieving my goal, I think that makes you unstoppable. So whenever I was falling down, I never gave up, irrespective of what will happen. And so many people who have inspired me and boosted my confidence. But I think in that way, I think my dad, because he called me Sherni, the lioness. So, you know, like he empowers me in a different ways. When I used to talk to him, he used to say, hey, you are the Sherni of Punjab. You are the Sherni of India. Just be yourself and nail it. Tell everyone that, you know, Harnaaz was there and she just killed it. And I think that just made me feel like, yeah, it's me, it's my time to shine and I want to make the most out of it. And I have a question that why are women still being targeted about what they wear and why are they being judged on what kind of fashion they want to follow? I think women are leading, and when they lead, they can change everything in this whole world. They just need to be unbothered, unstoppable, and just focus on your goals. They need to speak more about it because the more you listen and you keep it within yourself is how people are going to treat you. So you need to be confident. You need to be strong enough that the time you enter the room, you need to project yourself in such a confident way that people should be cautious about saying anything bad to you or anything which is about your personality, because it's your life and you have the full right to live the way you want to live.